In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kokusen in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To use the Kokusen, also known as Black Flash, you will need to be playing as the King of Curses. So go into your characters, select Vassal, and once you spawn in, all that you have to do is focus on your Divergent Fist ability. So this ability has what we're looking for. As you can see, the text below the ability says use twice. What it is telling us to do is to press the button and then press it once more. Now you will notice at that time the animation was normal and there was no black flash or the usual red strikes or effects that you see. So like I said, what you have to do is get the timing down. As soon as your character pulls their arm back, you will be able to press the ability again, and as you saw at that time, there were actually red and black effects, meaning that we got a black flash, or like the title of the video is called, Kokusen. So I'll go over to this target dummy here to demonstrate what it looks like. So the difficulty in performing this move reliably comes from the fact that you need to learn the timing. If you are able to learn the timing, you will always get this black flash animation. As you can see here, you have to press the button again as soon as your character pulls their arm back. So essentially 3 and then 3 again. If you get the timing, you will see this black and red animation, and it is more powerful. It feels awesome to use. But if you miss, like I did there, you will just see the usual blue animation. So if I take too long to press it again, it's just a blue animation. If I spam the button or press it too early, it's the blue animation. But if I do it just right, I will be able to get the black flash or Kokusen off. And like I said, it feels awesome to do. So I recommend that you go over to a target dummy and you try to learn this timing. You usually press 3, give it a second, and then press 3 again. If you take too long, you won't see it. So always try to get the rhythm down, and you should be able to perform this move reliably against other players when you actually join a public server. And as you can see, this is the Jujutsu Shenanigans iteration of Kokusen, also known as the Black Flash. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Kokusen in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.